And today's brand out, and we're gonna check in. Mama, what are you gonna check in? Orchard? Huh? Orchard, guys. So today's
brand out na.
It's already brand out, guys. Bye-bye home. See you next time. Later? Hindi naman kaya. Di ba one day tayo dun? Ha?
Pwede tayo mamayang hapon.
Gabi naman.
Brand out din doon. Kasali din ang gagawin.
I'll fit beside the fall of God.
Pala sa inyo eh.
This is my old one when I was a kid. I was wearing it, or my dad is wearing it too.
Hindi, pag naka-declared naman, maintenance.
Mama, baka mahilo ako. Bye-bye guys. See you later.
Hi! Sa face, I will get it. What's good?
Ayaw na niya.
Let's go. Let's go swim.
Hello guys, we're going to the playground. Kasama ko si Mama. This is our Avanza. Our car is in the painter area. That's why we're using Avanza. Guys, the playground is very far away.
Ay, walang daan.
Yeah. See you guys later. I'm gonna vlog again.
Dito tayo daan.
Doon na.
Dito, dito.
Ipain kita eh. Tawa sa TikTok.
I don't know.
Masakit nga. Try mo. Check mo. Sunshine. Ano to? What is this? May bee house.
Where?
Bee house yung white yung gray na yan.
That's cacao.
The house. Let's go to the playground.
Here,
boys.
here.
Let's go. Follow me. I can't touch the color. Mama, I can't touch that something. I can't touch that start with the letter F. It's floor. What about you? This is stones, grass, flowers. Oh man, I lost. I touched flowers. Ay, nakalimutan ko. Mama.
Naku, madumi. Dito ka liga, i-climb. Climb here, climb here. Come here.
Ito. Nak.
Ganda pag gabi, maliwanag. No?
Ang ganda nga, may ilaw. Wala bang naliligo kayo lang?
Wala. Ang isa kayo hindi lang naligo. Ang isa kayo.
Bakit hindi sila naliligo sa pool nila? Ha? Papa?
Hindi na naligo.